And for the early adopters, and this is odd in my mind. I still have friends that are in the marketing world, and they will remain unnamed. Okay, they still don't get Google Plus. They think it's just another platform. Why do I have to do another one? All my friends aren't there, so I'm not going to do it. And to
Hmm.
their detriment, they are staying with that mindset, and
Hmm.
they've lost. It's already too late for them. In my mind, it's too late in the sense that they're not going to be able to move forward because they have this mindset of saying this is just another place and it's not as valuable.
Hmm.
And a lot of them are in the graphics world, and I know that because I used to be a graphics trainer, so that's why I know this. A lot of the people in the graphics world that shifted into the marketing world, they come from a different angle
Hmm.
than the business marketing side. I mean, it's a valid portion of marketing is the
Hmm.
graphical representation of things, but
Hmm.
they don't have the ROI's perspective that an SEO person does when they come from the marketing side.
Oh, I see.
So that's, I think, where the disconnect is for a lot of the graphic branded marketers. They just don't seem to get it yet.